have a meet in the future? Like, is there, like, get permission from, like, a lot owner or something? So if they weren't open, it probably wouldn't be an issue. My boy know that I ain't cutting up, dog. That shit look good too, dog. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy T to the Y. We back at another video. You already know. We're going to a meet. I'm gonna pop it up right here on the screen. Y'all seen that? So I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the meet. Peace. About to be on our way in the highway, so we're about to meet up with Nolan. He just got off work too, so about to be on our way, man. There's a lot of people gonna be there, I heard, so it's at KOP. We're gonna see what's up, and we on our way. You know what I'm saying? You already know the vibes. We in a little bit of traffic because it's that traffic time, so it's not like it's a lot, but it's like light to light and shit. So city vibes, but it is what it is. We'll get there in no time. We in the skizzy, and y'all know what the dilly is. But like I said, man, thank y'all for tuning in for the last videos, man. So like I said, all the previous vlogs, man, appreciate y'all for liking it and supporting that stuff, man. It means a lot to me, man. Y'all don't know I put a lot of work in, a lot of time, a lot of dedication to that stuff, man. It takes hours. It ain't just easy as people think it's an upload. No, it takes time, man. You get on a computer, so much crunch time. You gotta do so much cutting, so much tedious stuff you can take out. There's a lot of stuff you can mess with, man. So it takes time to really put the time in the craft, or put your craft into it, and I mean, show what it's worth at the end. So I'm gonna just get back to y'all when we get to the meet. Catch y'all. Look who I see on the highway. That shit sound good too.
Use the left lane to turn left. Then turn left.
My boy know that I ain't cutting up, dog. That shit look good too, dog.
Turn left on Eisenhower Avenue.
Yo, that shit look too good, bro. Yo, that shit look good, dog. Whoa, that shit look good. Woo, shout out to my boy Nolan, dog. That shit sound too good, yo. That shit look good too, y'all. If y'all ain't know, check his channel out, man. Make sure I meant to put the link in the description. Check it out. Check his channel out. He got some new stuff done to the Daytona, so check it out. Ew, that joint sound crazy. Ooh, we out here cutting up with the traffic. Y'all know I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the meet though. Wawa. Hey, wildin'.
Use the left lane to turn left. In 700 feet, use the left lane to turn left. Turn back on Shenandoah Boulevard.
Jammies out there, boy. Me and my boy Nolan met at the right time. Oh, my lighted that. We met at the right time. Shout out to the boy in the Ford too, Explorer beyond me. That shit was tough. Fuck, we pulling up at? Damn, there's a lot of motherfuckers outside, dog. They is outside. Fuck, we pulling up at? Damn, his shit clean too. I'm going to the gas. Yeah, that thing look good, bro. Yo, you cleaned this joint? Ew, he got the best color, bro.
Bro, I'm just
I ain't gonna lie, this color crazy.
I'm just happy to see you back.
Yeah, boy. I miss you, bro.
Miss you
Yo,
too, man.
that's crazy. This joint look crazy.
Bro, I had, crystal hair.
You didn't powder coat these wheels, bro, did you?
Nah, he just cleaned them up for me, bro.
Damn. This joint crazy, yo. If y'all don't know, make sure I hit my boy Nolan up. Go to his channel, bro. This Daytona is crazy. This Daytona is crazy, bro. Ooh, we got the Infinity boys. Yeah.
Probably right.
Infinity, stop playing. Make sure I hit the Instagram. Damn, the Infinity boys is outside. Don't sleep on them. They S's too. Do not sleep. You gotta get that side there. Damn, it is. Crazy, bro. He's about to smack his wheel too. It's just stupid. Y'all, I only got 14 minutes left. I came at the beat. It's loud as shit. I don't know if y'all can hear me though. Oh, yeah, they got some MK5 over here. Stupid. I seen this earlier. This MK5 is stupid. I'm fucking with them. Ooh. That's stupid. That's fucking. Where you at? Yeah, AJ, where you at, AJ? Yeah, they got the bloodstained boys out. Yeah. Bro. I need my GT back. I need my GT back, bro. ASAP on the channel. Look at this Lambo though. Woo, Camaros, oh son. This thing is stupid, yo.
What can we do to have a meet in the future? Like, is there, like, get permission from, like, a lot owner or something? So if they weren't open, it probably wouldn't be an issue.
We outside.
We outside with it, y'all. It's too loud to vlog. Y'all know if y'all can hear me. But the cop's trying to shut it down. He only saying is he's trying to shut it down because Target's still open. So I don't know why. What's up, y'all?
Oh yeah, he's trying to shut it down.
So I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna kick around for a little bit. My boy Caleb said he was about to show up, so I might have to put my plate back on. We outside, boys. It's that Gas and Tony. Yeah. Goodness, boy. It's clean, boy. Yeah, that's sex right here, boy. want the hard top though. Hard top. Y'all probably see the car. It's probably went down. My boy Caleb here. You already know we here chilling.
No car shit. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, but it died down, y'all. I'm probably about to end the vlog though. Just chilling. Just, I mean, we've been hanging for like the last couple hours. So me and Caleb and everybody just kicking Nolan. So this shit crazy. We out here. See Caleb out here chilling. Eating them pork. He over here eating pork rinds. Come on, man.
He over here eating the pork rind. This shit be slamming too, I heard. Damn, bro, we out here chilling though. We got the scat out here. Everybody else out here. It's cooling. This fucking hatch over here is crazy though. That shit's crazy, bro. I fuck with it. Look at the color. What's up, man?
What's up?
Yeah. Nice to meet you. T-Wise.
Nice to meet you, bro. I'm Avi.
Nice to meet you, Avi. Damn, I like that name, Avi. I like that. Yes, sir.
Did I come late?
No, you came late, bro. I ain't gonna lie. There was a lot of people earlier, but the cops shut it down.
I heard, bro.
The
There were
cops shut it
motherfuckers
down.
like racing like on off-road and shit.
Yeah.
Like that's what came out. I lived right there.
Yeah, bro, this shit was
And my uncle was like, yo, they were like
crazy.
racing and shit.
It was crazy, bro.
Cool. He popping the hood for us, y'all.
Like,
Give me a quick little summary on it. Give me a summary on it.
Yeah,
Just
sure.
Quick little summary.
So I don't really have much on it. I just have.
This shit is clean though,
It's
bro.
just a stock motor.
Hell yeah.
I don't have any intake or anything on it. No headers. It just has a catback on it.
Okay.
And I have
What
like
you-
some aftermarket wheels as well.
Any future plans for it?
Yeah. Probably.
Damn, this shit is sexy though. I already know when it's clean, this shit gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
Like, it looks good when it's clean.
I
I know it.
appreciate you.
This shit looks
I
good,
just got it
bro.
pretty recently. I want to supercharge it, maybe like Whipple it or like
Yeah.
maybe Roush Stage 2.
Roush too, yeah, that'd be nice too.
If he do Roush, bro, Roush performance is where it's at, man.
Oh yeah.
They do that shit real big, man. Shout out to Roush, man.
Shout out to Roush,
Shout
for
out to
real.
Roush, for real.
Facts.
Sponsor my guy, for real.
This should be hot. That should be crazy.
So I just got an exhaust.
You want to get a wing or anything? Any spoilers? or
Yeah,
anything like
I
that?
think I'm actually probably this weekend. I'm probably gonna get like one of the GT500
Okay.
style
Wings.
rear spoilers, and it has like a wicker bill add-on from American
Ooh,
Muscle.
That'd be nice.
Probably get one.
American Muscle got a lot of stuff too. I love American Muscle. They got a lot of. You got a short throw shifter in it?
No.
Oh, it's stock?
It does
Okay.
Stock. Yeah. All I have is an exhaust. And
What kind of exhaust?
it's an MBRP race exhaust.
Okay,
Yeah,
MBRP. It sounds good too when you rev it. I seen that.
It sounds real good, y'all.
Yes, sir. Hell yeah. Ooh. 285s on it?
285s in the front and 285s in the rear.
Damn, all around?
235 doesn't grip.
Jeez.
Bro, I got 275s on my scat, so I already know.
It grips. It pulls well.
Damn,
It's just dirty as all hell.
Don't tell me this shit got the fucking flashes up here.
Bro, I never knew that. He said just this year. What? Bro, Nola, come here. Look at this. Bro, I never knew they had the flashers on the hood like that. Look. Like when he put his signal on, it's on the fucking hood. I never knew that.
No, it's aftermarket.
No, he said it came like that.
Real shit.
Get the fuck out of here. Look at the hood. He got the turn signal on the hood.
I work at Ford. They don't come like
They
that.
don't come like that?
What the fuck's the point of that?
Yeah, I'm like, damn.
I like that.
That's hot, yo.
Because
Got home, bro. We just got home from the market. Yeah, that car meet was dope. I'm probably about to upload this video and get back to y'all, man. I'm about to do some editing and stuff, and I'm about to have a good night. I'm about to probably watch a movie or something. It's about to be like 12 or something like that. So, but I'm gonna catch you on the next one. No, it's about to be 11. So I'm gonna catch you on the next one, man. Yeah, I'm already tired. Definitely about to put this stuff away. And we're gonna catch you on the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, comment down below. Peace.